Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to add a custom questionnaire to your Wix website, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and embed a fully functional questionnaire right on your site, perfect for collecting feedback, running surveys, or gathering any sort of information from your visitors. We're going to walk through every step together, making the process simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the design area of your Wix website. You'll want to be in the editor, which is where all the magic happens. This is your creative playground. Make sure you're on the page where you want your questionnaire to appear. Maybe it's your homepage, a dedicated survey page, or wherever makes the most sense for your visitors. Next, it's time to add a section to your page. Think of sections as containers or blocks on your site. Adding a new section creates space for your questionnaire and helps keep your site organized. You'll often find options like blank sections, galleries, contact forms, and more, but for this, go with a blank section or whatever layout fits best with your site's style. Once your new section is in place, look for the Add Elements button. Elements in Wix are basically the building blocks of your site: text, images, videos, and in our case, code embeds. Take a moment to explore if you haven't before. These tools let you make your site truly yours. Now select Embed Code. This is where you'll be able to integrate custom code, like your questionnaire, directly into your website. Embedding code might sound a bit technical, but Wix makes it straightforward with easy-to-use tools. When prompted, choose HTML code. This lets you paste raw HTML, making it perfect for adding forms, surveys, or even interactive apps. Here's a neat trick. Instead of building out a questionnaire from scratch, let's leverage ChatGPT to generate one for us. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a food questionnaire in HTML format. You might say something like, "Create a food questionnaire with questions about favorite cuisines and allergies." ChatGPT should give you a block of HTML code. If you're not sure what to ask, just check the video description for a suggested prompt. Copy that code, then head back to your Wix editor. In the HTML code element you just added, paste in your questionnaire. It might look like a bunch of text at first, but once you hit update, Wix will process the code and turn it into a live, interactive form on your page. This part might take a few moments, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. Once it's loaded, it's time to refine the appearance of your form. Use Wix's resizing handles to make sure the questionnaire fits nicely within your section. Maybe it needs to be a bit wider for readability, or maybe you want it tucked neatly between other elements. Adjust the size until you're happy with how it looks. Imagine Goldilocks finding that just right spot. If the form isn't quite where you want it on your page, simply drag the HTML embed box down or reposition it anywhere within the section. Wix's drag-and-drop interface is very forgiving, so take your time to get it exactly where you want. Positioning can make a big difference in how noticeable and easy your questionnaire is for visitors. And that's really all there is to it. You've successfully embedded a custom food questionnaire onto your Wix site. Now you can start collecting responses and learning more about your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the process, or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to learn next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow website tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy site building.